So, I got most of the carpet out and the rubber in the middle. Here's what it looks like so far. But upon better inspection, now that all the carpet and wood is out, there's a lot of rust on the whole lower half. That's a hole going out the outside. Now, although I knew that there was some rust on the outside on the lower skirts, I didn't know how bad it was going to be on the inside. So, pretty much, just the whole, like, lower piece of metal that runs on the bottom is rotted away. Most of the actual leg supports are all pretty intact. It's pretty much just the actual piece of metal that runs on the floor. So, I'll probably weld additional brackets that go vertical and then run new metal horizontally across the whole floor, so that any type of other rotted panels and whatnot, they'll now be all newer steel attached to it. Everything up top seems alright. Alright, well, time to get to work.